Hi there, and welcome to the first screencast in my Beginner Series playlist. In this edition, we will explore Google Drive and how to create a folder, move a file, make a copy of a file, and how to delete a file. To get to Drive, all you need to do is type drive.google.com, and that will open up. Now, if you have never logged into Drive before, it'll ask you for your Google password before you get to this screen. Now, you can see I am clearly in to Drive. What do I have here? Well, you'll have some introductory files there provided for you. So you'll see here that I've got a nice big blue button up here called New. Now, this is how I'm going to create my first folder. If I click on New, I have right there a new folder, and I can go ahead and click on that, and I can title my folder whatever I wish and hit create. Now you see that new folder has shown up in my Drive right there, titled New Folder. Now let's say I want to put something into that folder. Well, I have a couple options. This untitled document down here, perhaps I want to put that up there. I can just click on it and drag it, and it'll insert right into that folder that I've just created. That's one way of doing it. Or I can right click, or on a Mac two-finger click Move To, and then choose the folder that I want it to appear in. For this screencast, I'm just going to click and drag. And you'll see when I open up the folder, double click, that document is in the folder. It also shows you the layers that you're working with. That is the first layer, which was the Drive screen we were just in. And now I'm inside the new folder. If I want to go back to the Drive, main Drive, I just click on that. Now, how do I make a copy of a document? Well, let's go back, see my untitled document there. It's quite simple. All I have to do is right click or two-finger click and go right down here to make a copy. This can be handy when you do not have editing rights on a document. Perhaps you want a copy of it. And I just click make a copy. And it renames it as a copy of, and then whatever the title of your document is. Now, the last thing in this screencast I want to show you is just how to delete. And again, all your functionality here is in the right click. Now, I've made a copy. Let's say I don't want the original anymore because I have a copy. Again, just right click, two-finger click, and choose down there, remove. Or I can, again, like moving a document, I can just click on it, hold it down, and drag it over to the trash, and it disappears. Alright, well that's it for now. Just a very quick introduction to the Google Drive and how to create folders, delete files, and move files around. Thank you very much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video where we will discuss how to upload files to the Drive and how to convert different formats into a Google Doc format. Take care, and until then.